What experiment should we do first?
Maybe the thermometer.
Oh, I didn't see you like that. This project is from Bakersfield.
The University of
DIY
Bakersfield.
thermometer. We're gonna use that.
Okay.
My brother's gonna do the glove. I can do the goggles, and then the ingredients are: you need water. I think.
No, we don't need it.
We need scissors. We need
Rubbing alcohol.
rubbing alcohol.
Do you want to read them?
A beaker.
A beaker, brown food coloring,
A balloon.
a blue, red, any color balloon, and some molding clay, goggles, straw,
It has to be eco-friendly. Just kidding. It could be any straw.
and then minute. That's my brother's
I'll
gonna
take
use.
the menu. Okay, so
He's gonna read it.
the procedure is step number 1. Fill the bottle about 1/4 full of water. So, Marlene.
1/4 full?
Wait, let Mom
Okay,
see it.
so 1/4 of your entire beaker?
Yes, 4.
So I would say here.
At the 100 or at the
50.
middle line.
Let's do 100.
Fill it up only to 100.
Okay, set it down so you have a flat surface. How's it reading for you?
Put a few more drips.
Okay.
That should be good.
Yep, that's good.
Right on
So-
the dot.
Okay.
And then you put the
It doesn't look that equal to you, but it's equal.
yes.
Okay.
And then you put the exact same amount of rubbing alcohol.
So all of this?
I don't know. Just where should we stop at, Mom? The 200?
So then we would 1/4 would give us half, so half would probably be. Let's just do it to this line.
Okay. If we have enough.
If we have enough.
So just put the whole thing
So the
in. Rubbing alcohol. You
Okay,
can watch
then you might
it.
have to use the entire bottle. Alright, well, there we go.
that's
Aw.
as much as we could.
Just do the puppy's pet.
Okay, so
Okay.
you said 1/4.
The equal amount of alcohol, rubbing
Okay.
alcohol.
So
1/4 rubbing alcohol. And the next step, Marlene, add a few drops of,
Food coloring.
actually I would say 2 drops. 2 drops of food coloring.
let's see how dark it gets.
Let's
And
do
then-
1 drop, and then if we need another one, do 2.
Yeah, we'll go on from there.
Come
You
on.
might have to squeeze a little harder.
Okay, that should be good.
Oh.
Maybe you should mix it up. Maybe the next step is the straw. So maybe we can mix it up with the straw.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty light. I'm gonna show them my share.
Let me mix it first. Yeah,
Yeah.
it should be good.
No,
Unless
let's
you
do
want
one
it a
more.
little darker. Yeah. And then 1 drop. I mean, you put entirely too many drops.
I only put some.
I think you guys can make it as light or as dark as you guys want, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna show
That
them my
should be
share.
good. So, like a caramel color.
Okay.
That's what it looks like. The rubbing alcohol, the water, and the
Food coloring.
food coloring, brown food coloring.
So
That's
the
what it
next
looks like.
step, I'll have our mom step in. I'm going to hold the straw just high enough so it doesn't touch the bottom.
What does the next step say?
And you need to put molding clay around it so it's securely in place.
Okay, so we're just putting securing
There.
the straw in the middle?
Yes, but we cannot have it touch the bottom.
The bottle? Oh, the bottom. The bottom of the bottle. Okay, is there anywhere else or way else that we can also secure this?
The tape.
Is there a picture? Marlene, can you see if there is a picture to show us?
I'll find it. Is it this page I show?
No, not that page. It doesn't have any.
No example on
That's a different
how
experiment.
to set it?
Yeah, that's a different experiment. So I think
Just go with it.
yeah.
Just go with it?
Yeah, it doesn't say
Oh, I
anything.
ripped it the wrong way already.
It's okay.
Okay.
I don't know how
I
much.
might have to warm it up because it's really hard right now. Here, you
Yeah.
want to hold that for a few minutes so it can warm up?
Where's the water going?
Excuse me. We just ate dinner.
Yeah, we just ate dinner.
That was the biggest burp inside my mouth ever.
Okay, so
Oh, it is easy to rip.
how you want to hold it first?
I'll hold it.
And then open. I don't know if that's gonna work very well.
Wrap it
No,
around.
it's still too.
Yeah, let's
it's not
just leave the
bending.
straw in there for now.
What if we use tape? Could we use tape? That would probably hold it better than the molding clay.
Yeah. So
Let's
the
see, just-
instructions say molding clay. You can try tape. Don't do this at home, kids.
Yes.
Follow the instructions.
Okay, so it says securely in place, but since we have this, maybe we could deviate a little?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
If you're saying I'm drinking the water from the experiment, I am, because this is clean water.
Okay, and how high would you say that? How you want it?
I'll say a little lower, but
A little.
Kids, do not do this at home again. That is rules, because it says girls have to have adults.
Do you think that's long enough?
You need a mom or dad to do it.
Okay, will you hold this start for me?
yeah. I'm assuming you'd want it dead center. I think the molding clay is just so you get it.
Alright,
Yeah,
it's
that looks good.
well, it's called a DIY thermometer, so there you go.
That's what the thermometer looks
Maybe
like
you
now.
could secure it a little more in place.
Maybe we could also do the experiment twice, one with the tape and one without the tape. See if we get different
So
results.
I'm gonna see this.
Okay. Marlene, do you want to put the molding clay in there?
So,
No, I want to play with the molding clay.
Okay.
so,
It's
So,
fun.
so we're gonna
Is
go
it?
put it.
It's fun.
We'll
Use tape instead,
get
but
back to you in 5 minutes. We're gonna go put it in the fridge first
and why are we putting it in the fridge?
because it says to put it in different temperature rooms, and we assume the fridge is gonna be cold because it's a fridge. And then we're gonna put it in my mom's car that has been in the
Oh,
sun
and
for
on
a
the
very
fridge.
long time.
on the fridge, before we're gonna dump some cold ice water on it.
I don't know. Let's see. Hold on before we go. Because did we skip a step?
No.
Okay.
Can we warm
So
up
we
the
did
clay
step 5,
first?
wrap the clay around the straw.
Flash tape.
It says make sure it's secured.
I'll put the
Mark the outside of the bottle to see how far up the straw the liquid is.
Yeah, but we'll do that in a second. I'm gonna go put it in the fridge, so we'll be back in about 5 minutes.
Hold on. Don't get getting ahead of yourself. It asks you to mark outside of the container where
But it hasn't traveled anything.
before you take it anywhere. It says mark on the outside of the bottle.
Okay. Now.
Then move it around to different places where the temperatures are significantly different and observe the change of the liquid.
Okay.
Okay, so
Fridge first.
no, let's do the heat first because we're already outside. Do you want to just set it on top of my car?
On top or in?
On top.
Yeah.
Alright, so Marlene, how many minutes do you think we should leave it out there for?
5.
5 minutes? Oh, do we still have that timer?
Yes, it's in Dad's truck.
Oh, okay, we'll just use my phone.
Yeah, and guys, if you're wondering what to do after this, I know, right?
What can you do?
With some water.
And then what? Because remember that had rubbing alcohol.
How fast does glass melt?
How fast? I guess it depends on the heat. Okay, so I asked Marlene's guess of 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Marlene, how far do you think it's gonna go up? Or do you think it's gonna go down?
I think it's gonna go up.
And how far up do you think? Would you say...
I'm guessing at least an inch.
At least an inch?
Up 1 inch.
Up 1 inch. And Marlene, how far up do you think?
Up.
Up.
And how far up do you think?
2 inches.
You think it'll go up 2 inches?
We'll have to find a ruler.
Okay, so we'll pause it and then we'll see them in 5 minutes.
Okay.